everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I have another mystery box to open. This is it right here. It is a beauty themed mystery box, and I have done one mystery box video before and I really enjoyed doing it, and I think hopefully a few of you enjoyed watching it, so I thought I'd do another one. For those of you that don't know about mystery box videos, basically on eBay people sell boxes full of things. Some of them are themed, some of them aren't, but the twist is that you don't know what you're going to get in the mystery box. Obviously the themed ones you have a rough idea, so I think last time I did a kind of ladies or girls mystery box, and this one here is a beauty themed one. So yeah, I think I paid £25 for this, so it's not the most expensive one on there, but it wasn't the cheapest either, so it's kind of middle of the road. But I thought it would be quite interesting to see what I get, and it'll be quite nice to get some new little things to try out as well. And I've just realised I don't have any scissors with me to open the box, so I'm just going to go and get some and be right back. Right, so scissors at the ready. Let's dive in to this mystery box. If I can get the box open. The amount of online shopping I do, you would think I would be an absolute pro at like opening boxes now, but I'm really not. So we're in. This was really awkward to open, and obviously you've just seen me open it, so I've not got a clue what's going to be in here. So let's kind of get rid of some of this stuff, then just kind of go in and rummage around. Ah! So I've got a little Ultimate Pampery duck bathing set that comes with a cute little pink duck, which is really cute. Fun fact about me, when I was a teenager I actually collected rubber ducks. A bit weird, I know, but yeah, anyway, the little duck is cute, and it comes with bath sprinkles, which is nice. Some of you may know, some of you may not. I love a good bath, so I'll definitely give these a try out. Ooh, we have something that is bubble wrapped. So we have some Twisted Sister Hair and Scalp Fix Super Strengthening Shampoo, which smooths, protects and helps strengthen vulnerable hair. That's a big old tube actually, and I'm always looking for kind of nice shampoos to put some moisture back into my hair, and kind of, my hair isn't that damaged because I don't use a lot of heat, but it is quite dry and frizzy, so it does need all the help it can get. So I'll definitely give this a go when I use up the shampoo I'm using at the moment. What else do we have? This looks like something hairy as well. Lee Stafford Ubuntu oils, nourishing oil for coarse or damaged hair. Again, I love hair oils. I use them every time I wash my hair, so this one is definitely going to go in my drawer of things to try out soon too. There's quite a lot of stuff in here, I'm quite impressed. Ooh. What is this one? So this is a clay. The brand looks like it's called Clay, which I've never heard of before, and this is a deep pore detox clay mask. And one thing I do want to try and do is get a lot more into masking. I always kind of have the good intentions of doing masks, but I quite often forget or don't get round to it. This is one hell of a big tube as well. Oh, it says body mask, so I've never ever used a body mask before, but it says apply a layer to body and leave for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. So yeah, I do neglect my body a little bit, I must say, so this will definitely be something nice to try. I can't smell it because it's all sealed up. And we also have a volcanic, I don't know what this brand is because the other one said clay and this says volcanic, so I don't know what the brand is actually called. But anyway, this is the foaming facial scrub cleanser, which I do like a good kind of exfoliator. I've got a couple on the go at the moment, so I'll probably crack into this after I've used the couple I'm using now up. So yeah. Oh, these are cute. They look like more little bath bombs, tea party bath fizzers. That is cute, and they're like little cupcakes. So yeah, again, they can go into my little bath collection rotation thing I have going on. Oh, this looks like Lush. This is the Lush Snow Fairy Body Conditioner. So by the looks of things, you use it in the shower, so it's like an in-shower kind of moisturiser conditioner type thing. I've never tried this, but I do like Lush's like bubble baths and bath melts. That is really, really sweet. So if you don't like sweet smells, I don't think you would like that one, but I like sweet smells, so I think that will be really, really lovely. Although it does say used by 19th of the 2nd 2018, and obviously it is now January 2018, so I better get using this quite quickly really, because I've got a nearly out of date Lush little thing. Now we have a big old bag full of other things. So what have we got? Oh, some little Essie kind of, are these for toes? Like toe divider things. I'm bad with keeping my toenails painted. I like paint them, and nail varnish on your toes just seems to last forever, doesn't it? So yeah, I don't do it that often, but yeah, these are handy to have. Oh, these are Primark, the PS Square Allure little press-on nails. I don't tend to use press-on nails, I mean mine are quite long anyway. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll use these, but they do look quite nice anyway, if that's kind of your bag. Oh, we have a little mini Body Shop Mango Bath Bomb. Again, bath stuff I love, so I'm quite pleased I've got all this stuff in here, and I love the I love the Body Shop mango scented stuff, so yeah, that one I'm very happy with. Ooh, we have Velvet Rose Eau de Parfum. I never know if I'm saying that right. So this is fresh bergamot and green tea with an elegant heart of red rose petals, orange blossom and oriental orchid. I'm not very good with scents, I must lie. Let's just smell it and see if I like it. Oh, it's a little rollable one. It's quite nice actually, and this will be handy for travelling with because it's quite compact and easy to kind of roll on. So yeah, I'm pleased with that one. I'll probably take it with me when I next go away. I've also got some Essie nail polish. I've just started getting my nails done properly, like with gel, so I haven't been painting my nails a lot recently. Fun fact, I used to actually have a nail art blog and like a whole Instagram and stuff for nails, so I used to be obsessed with this kind of thing. I've got hundreds and hundreds of nail polishes, but I don't really use them anymore. It was kind of a phase that I went through, but this looks really, really gorgeous. So yeah, I might, between manicures, maybe try this out. What else do we have? We have some Rimmel Stay Blushed Liquid Cheek Tint, which looks really nice actually. I've been testing out a collection kind of cream blusher that I've really enjoyed using, so hopefully I'll enjoy this too. Let's put a bit on my hand. This is like liquid as opposed to cream, but we'll see. But it looks quite nice. We'll have to see how it applies on the face. It doesn't look like it goes on super evenly, but it might be different over foundation. So yeah, I'll definitely give that a go. There's still a few more things in here actually. Well, another nail polish. We have another Essie one. This is the colour, where's the colour name? Mink Muffs, which is a nice colour, nice kind of neutral colour. So yeah, again, another one to add to my absolutely huge stash of nail polish. What on earth is this? Oh, it's a face mask. Holler and Glow Glowbot Moisturising Face Mask, which contains aloe vera, which is nice because I like a soothing kind of thing on my skin because it gets quite irritated. So yeah, this looks like just a one-time use thing, but yeah, it's definitely something I will give a go at some point. Oh, this looks cool. So we have a Rimmel London Kate Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in the colour Emerald. So it's a little kind of gel pot eyeliner that is emerald green by the looks of things. I just dropped my whole box. Let's see if I can open this up. So it comes with a little brush, which is handy, although it doesn't look like it's going to be the best precise brush for liner. I'll probably just use one of the ones I have anyway. And it is like this colour here, which looks quite nice. I'm not the biggest eyeliner wearer, but if I'm feeling a bit experimental, that's definitely something I might try out. Let's put a little bit on my hand and see what it's like. Oh, so it's not like in your face green, it's kind of like a really kind of blacky green. I definitely wouldn't use this brush, it's not very precise, but yeah, it looks like that. So probably more wearable than I first thought. It's like there's a couple more things. So I have a Collection Supersize Fat Lash Mascara. I haven't tried a whole lot from Collection. I tried out one of their cream blushes that I got in like a subscription box, which I really like, but apart from that I haven't tried a huge amount. Everything keeps falling on the floor, I apologise. I really do not need any more mascaras. I've got loads that I've kind of tried out, and then yeah, it's hard to use them all. So I might leave this until I've run down my mascara collection a little bit more. It looks like there is one more thing. So this is a candy floss scrub, which sounds like it's going to smell amazing. A sweet treat for sparkling soft skin. So it is an exfoliating mask, so in theory it's going to give me kind of glowing, nice skin. So I think I have tried some stuff from this brand before and they are like really cheap. It was years ago, so I can't really remember what I thought, but yeah, I'll give that one a go as well. So yeah, there is nothing more in that box now. I feel like for £25 I've done pretty well. There's a hell of a lot of stuff in here, like compared to the last mystery box video I did. If you haven't watched that, I'll link that in the description box somewhere in case you want to check that out. But yeah, I've got a hell of a lot more stuff in this one than I did my last one. So yeah, there's some stuff I'm really looking forward to trying out. I think this is kind of the thing I'm most looking forward to trying out, but I'm also really looking forward to this little bath bomb. Because yeah, I love a nice bath at the moment. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favourite product is that I got in this mystery box, and if you've done your own mystery box videos, let me know in the comments below, because I'd love to go and watch all of yours as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you'd like to see what else I have coming up. Thanks for watching everyone, I'll see you next time. Bye!